जीन इंट्रैक्शन दो टाइप के हैं, एलिलिक एंड नॉन एलिलिक। एलिलिक जीन इंट्रैक्शन को हम इंट्राजेनिक भी कहते हैं, वाइल नॉन एलिलिक इज कॉल्ड एज इंट्राजेनिक। इंट्राजेनिक का मतलब दोनों एलील जो हैं एक ही जीन के, दे आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द सेम लोकस, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एलिलिक जीन इंट्रैक्शन। टुडे विल डिस्कस डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एलिलिक जीन इंट्रैक्शन, और उसमें सबसे पहला आता है इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस। इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड पार्शियल और मोजाइक इनहेरिटेंस। जब मेंडल ने लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस दिया तो ही सेड दैट कि जो डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर है वो हमेशा F1 जनरेशन में प्रेजेंट होता है, बट लेटर ऑन in some organisms it was found that F1 generation is different from both the parents. So इसको पार्शियल और मोजाइक इनहेरिटेंस कहते हैं, बट इट इज नॉट ब्लेंडिंग इनहेरिटेंस। ब्लेंडिंग इनहेरिटेंस इसको क्यों नहीं कहा जा सकता? बिकॉज जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो F2 जनरेशन में दोबारा से अपीयर हो जाते हैं। पेरेंट अपीयर्स अगेन इन F2 generation, so it is not blending inheritance. It is partial or mosaic inheritance. So example is Mirabilis jalapa. It is also known as 4 o'clock plant. It is also known as 4 o'clock plant or gulebans. 4 o'clock plant or gulebans. कॉमनली इसको कहा जाता है। Three different type of plants are found. In Mirabilis, 3 types of plants are present. Red, white and pink. Red, white and pink flowers या pink flowered plants are found in Mirabilis. So when red and white flowers were crossed, plants having red and white flowers were crossed. In F1 generation, pink flowers were obtained. Crossing of red and white flowers produces pink flowers in F1 generation. So it is different from both the parents. Parents were having red or white color, but in F1 generation, pink flowers were obtained. And self cross of F1 generation produce reappearance of parental character. So in F2 generation, parental characters reappears and ratio is 1:2:1. Red, pink and white. So as you can see, it is a clear-cut deviation from Mendel's law of dominance. In Mendel's law of dominance, phenotypic ratio 3:1, genotypic ratio 1:2:1, but incomplete dominance के केस में both genotypic and phenotypic ratios are same. So there is a modification. So genotypic and phenotypic ratio are same in case of incomplete dominance, जबकि मेंडलिज्म में लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस में ऐसा नहीं था। F2 जनरेशन की रेशियो हमेशा सेम रहेगी जीनोटाइप की और फिनोटाइप की। सो इट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड एज quantitative inheritance. It can be considered as example of quantitative inheritance. Quantitative inheritance. और भी कई सारे एग्जांपल्स हम इसमें ले सकते हैं। फ्लावर कलर इन एंटीरेनम मेजस, सेकंड एग्जांपल। Antirrhinum majus, which is also called as dog flower. Antirrhinum majus or dog flower. Snapdragon. Again, in this case, the modified ratio is of or Andolcian falls का एग्जाम्पल हम ले सकते हैं। यहाँ पे ब्लैक और व्हाइट जो फॉर्म्स हैं, दे प्रोड्यूस ब्लू कलर्ड प्रोजेनी। Black and white produces blue colored progeny in F1 generation. और जब F1 का सेल्फ क्रॉस करवाएंगे, so again 1:2:1 for black, blue and white is obtained. So these are the different examples which clearly shows deviation from law of dominance. So why did this deviation occur? What is the cause of dominance and why this deviation occurs? Wild type allele for any character, wild type allele of a character is always dominant. Okay, because it forms mRNA, it helps in protein synthesis, and also produces enzymes for expressing itself, for expressing character. Now in any allele, mutation occurs. In alleles, mutations occurs. And these mutations may occur either due to modifications like insertion, deletion or inversion, addition, deletion, insertion, etc. And when mutation occurs, faulty product will be obtained. So mutation may produce faulty or no product at all. तो दो फॉर्म हो गई हमारे पास, एक म्यूटेटेड फॉर्म हो गई, एक वाइल्ड फॉर्म. सो वाइल्ड फॉर्म unchanged, so shows dominance. The mutated form having either faulty or non-functional alleles, दूसरी हमारे पास है म्यूटेटेड फॉर्म which have faulty alleles, so it acts as recessive. Rarely this faulty allele may produce same phenotype or product. May produce same phenotype, or you can say product. Same phenotype or product. In that case, it is known as equivalent allele. तब उसको कहेंगे हम equivalent allele. But it is rare. So this is the cause of dominance. Why dominant character appears? Because it remains unchanged. It is wild form which remain unchanged. Second exception you can see is codominance. Codominance. It is also allelic gene interaction. Codominance is also allelic gene interaction. So both genes express themselves equally. No blending of characters occurs. Both alleles or both genes for a particular character express equally. In F1 hybrid progeny. F1 जनरेशन में दोनों के दोनों जीन अपने आप को इक्वली रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, इक्वली एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. देयर इज नो डोमिनेंस रिसेसिव इंटरेक्शन, राइट. जबकि इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस में एक का इफेक्ट ज्यादा था और इसका क्लासिकल एग्जांपल हम दे सकते हैं. क्लासिकल एग्जांपल ऑफ कोडोमिनेंस इज कोट कलर इन एनिमल्स. कोट कलर इन एनिमल्स is example of codominance. What happens here? Black parent is crossed with white parent. So black and white parents are crossed. And in F1 generation, Rowan color is obtained. Rowan color is obtained in F1 generation. Okay, so this is quite different. Symbol here are different. So black and white, and in F1 generation there is both R1 R2 present. F2 generation in animals is obtained by मैटिंग क्रॉस। तो जब F1 हाइब्रिड्स को क्रॉस करवाया, so R1, R2, and in the same way, this is simple checkerboard. So as you can see here, in F2 generation, the ratio gets modified as 1:2:1 to black, rowan and white. Black, rowan color and white. Again, phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same in case of codominance. Both phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same in case of codominance also. और एग्जाम्पल्स अगर हम देखें कोडोमिनेंस के, ब्लड AB ब्लड ग्रुपिंग इन ह्यूमन बींग्स, AB ब्लड ग्रुप इन ह्यूमंस is example of codominance. IA and IB are responsible for blood group A and blood group B, but when they present together they produce AB blood group. Likewise, sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is also codominant example. Carriers of sickle cell anemia. Carrier is represented as right. Sickle's allele for sickle cell is dominant. Here, allele for sickle cell is HbS, and while for normal hemoglobin it is allele for normal hemoglobin is B, and carriers shows codominance. Third example of allelic gene interaction is multiple allele. Multiple allelism or multiple allele. Multiple allele. When more than two alleles of a gene express are responsible for a character. So simple words में हम क्या कह सकते हैं, presence of more than two alleles of a gene is called multiple allele. Presence of more than two forms of a allele. How these multiple alleles are produced? Again, due to repeated mutations of same gene. Multiple alleles are produced. They are produced due to repeated mutations. So many examples of multiple allelism are there. ABO blood group in human beings. ABO blood group in human beings is example of multiple allelism. ABO blood group is written by 3 alleles: IA, IB and I naught. 3 alleles. IA and IB are dominant, while O is recessive. O means absence. So possible phenotypes are A, B, AB and O. These are phenotypes. And possible genotypes are 4 phenotypes are present, and genotypes IA, I naught, IB, IB, I naught, IA, IB, and so 6 genotypes are possible. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, while only 4 phenotypes are possible for ABO blood grouping in human beings. पॉसिबल जीनोटाइप नंबर हम इजीली निकाल सकते हैं. पॉसिबल जीनोटाइप नंबर is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. n plus 1 upon 2. So इस केस में 3 alleles are there. 3 plus 1 upon 2. So 6 genotypes are possible. Okay. Likewise, coat color in rabbits. Coat color in rabbit have 4 alleles. N is equal to number of alleles. N is equal to number of alleles. Eye color of Drosophila. Fifteen alleles are present. So these multiple alleles, they express different alternative of the same character. That's why so many combinations are possible. They follow Mendelian pattern of inheritance. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल हम ले सकते हैं लीथल जीन्स. एलेलिक जीन इंटरेक्शन में नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज लीथल जीन्स. फोर्थ इज लीथल जीन. लीथल मतलब होता है हार्मफुल. लीथल जीन मीन्स हार्मफुल जीन. which causes death of individual in homozygous condition. Causes death of individual in homozygous condition. First of all, lethal genes were discovered by Q naught in mice. In mice for coat color. QNet discovered lethal genes in mice for coat color, where two colors are found, yellow and brown. Yellow and brown coat color. Yellow is dominant and as I just told you, in homozygous condition it becomes lethal. So homozygous yellow never obtained because it causes death. Homozygous condition में yellow is never obtained. एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज में ही उसकी डेथ हो जाती है. बट अगर येलो माइस को हेट्रोजाइगस येलो को क्रॉस करवाया जाए so in F2 generation what will be the ratio? In F2 generation, what will be the ratio of heterozygous mice? It will be 2:1 because this homozygous yellow will die. So ratio will be 2:1. Similarly, in plants also lethal genes are found. In Antirrhinum majus, snapdragon or dog flower, Ball studied it. And in snapdragon, two type of leaves are present, golden and green. Golden is dominant. Leaves are of two types, golden, which is dominant one, and green, which are recessive. Again, F2 generation gets modified as 2:1. F2 ratio. Because in homozygous dominant condition it causes death. So homozygous golden never obtained. This is never obtained. उसके बाद आता है पिलियोट्रोपी और पिलियोट्रोपिक जीन्स. It is also allelic gene interaction, pleiotropy. It is the ability of a gene to have multiple phenotypic effect. Ability of a gene to have multiple phenotypic effects. Multiple phenotypic effects. And such genes are known as pleiotropic genes. So these pleiotropic gene इस प्लियोट्रोपिक जीन का एक तो मेन फंक्शन होगा, जिसमें वो ज्यादा एविडेंट है, देन इट इज कॉल्ड मेजर इफेक्ट, और जो सेकेंडरी इफेक्ट है जहां पे वो लेस एविडेंट है, इट इज कॉल्ड सेकेंडरी और माइनर इफेक्ट. सो मेजर इफेक्ट एंड माइनर इफेक्ट. Major effect and minor effect are shown by pleiotropic gene. क्यों? क्योंकि सारे के सारे जो ट्रेट हैं वो इक्वली इफेक्ट नहीं होंगे. एक का इफेक्ट ज्यादा हो सकता है, उसको मेजर इफेक्ट कह देंगे, एक का इफेक्ट कम होगा, उसको माइनर इफेक्ट कह देंगे. और जब एक जीन बहुत सारे चेंजेस कॉज कर दे, देन इट मे कॉज सिंड्रोम. तो उसे सिंड्रोम भी हो सकता है. तो थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने आपको सिकल सेल एनीमिया का एग्जांपल बताया था, जिसमें कैरियर्स तो एग्जांपल थे कोडोमिनेंट्स के, लेकिन सिकल सेल एनीमिया इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ प्लियोट्रोपी ऑल्सो. Sickle cell anemia is example of pleiotropy. Sickle cell anemia. So sickle cell anemia में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि allele for sickle cell is HbS. HbS is allele for sickle cell. And HbA is allele for normal hemoglobin or normal hemoglobin. So HbS and HbA. सिकल सेल एनीमिया, जिसको हम हीमोलाइटिक एनीमिया भी कहते हैं, why it occurs? सिकल सेल एनीमिया occurs कि जो नॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन है, कि नॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन है और सिकल सेल हीमोग्लोबिन को अगर हम कंपेयर करें, उसकी सीक्वेंस को अगर हम कंपेयर करें, नॉर्मल एंड सिकल सेल हीमोग्लोबिन, so it has two chains, alpha chain and beta chain. So in alpha and beta chain, नॉर्मल कंडीशन में तो क्या होता है, GAG, these are codons, and mRNA बनाएगा, right? So at position 6, glutamic acid is present. तो फर्स्ट पे वेलिन है, सेकंड पोजीशन पे हिस्टामिन है, थर्ड पोजीशन पे ल्यूसीन है, थिरोनिन, एंड इसी तरह हम चलते रहेंगे, प्रोलिन आ जाएगा. And at sixth position, glutamic acid is present. At sixth position, this glutamic acid is present. इसके बाद फिर glucine and right. So at sixth position, glutamic acid is present in beta chain of hemoglobin. But in case of sickle cell anemia, the normal positioning is affected. ये normal position थी, GAG and CTC is affected. So it becomes a single point change, it forms mRNA which codes for valine amino acid. So at 6th position, glutamic acid is replaced by valine. बाकी सब सेम रहेंगे, valine, histamine, leucine, threonine, etc., proline. But at 6th position, this glutamic acid is replaced by valine. 6th position पे valine आ जाता है. And this is cause of sickle cell anemia. Right? So sickle cell anemia is classical example of pleiotropy. So hemoglobin में बीटा चेन पे 6th पोजीशन पे glutamic acid is replaced by valine. This sickle cell gene HbS also develops resistance against malarial parasite. That is Plasmodium. इसलिए कहते हैं कि जिसको सिकल सेल एनीमिया है उसको मलेरिया नहीं होता. सिमिलरली एक और एग्जांपल हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं पी प्लांट का. इन पी प्लांट single gene affects, one gene affects so many characters. Seed coat color, उसके अलावा फ्लावर कलर, as well as red spot in axil of leaf. Red spot in leaf axil is also regulated by same gene. तो जो एलील, जो जीन सीड कोट को कंट्रोल कर रहा है वही फ्लावर कलर को भी कंट्रोल करता है. राइट? एक और एग्जांपल है प्लीयोट्रोपी का ह्यूमन बींग्स में, फिनाइल कीटोन यूरिया. फिनाइल कीटोन यूरिया, फिनाइल कीटोन यूरिया in human beings, PKU. PKU is a autosomal recessive disorder. Autosomal recessive inborn metabolic disorder. Inborn metabolic disorder. तो यहाँ पे जो होमोजाइगस रिसेसिव इंडिविजुअल होता है उसमें एंजाइम नहीं होता. It occurs due to, it is caused due to It is caused due to enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Phenylalanine hydroxylase. It is caused due to this enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. This enzyme changes phenylalanine into amino acid tyrosine. It is responsible for, it converts amino acid phenylalanine into phenylalanine, which is an amino acid. phenylalanine को ये कन्वर्ट कर देता है टायरोसिन में, another amino acid. बट होमोजाइगस रिसेसिव इंडिविजुअल्स में ये नहीं होता. होमोजाइगस रिसेसिव इंडिविजुअल लैक दिस एंजाइम. होमोजाइगस रिसेसिव इंडिविजुअल्स लैक इट. So, due to lack of this enzyme, accumulation of phenylalanine occurs. So, in absence of the enzyme, phenylalanine gets accumulated in the body. And chromosome number 12 shows abnormality, because it is a autosomal disease. So chromosome number 12 shows abnormality. So such the child born normal, but after within few weeks of birth, जो प्लाज्मा में एलानिन का कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ जाता है. आफ्टर फ्यू वीक्स ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट इज अफेक्टेड ड्यू टू increased level of phenylalanine. And mental retardation occurs by age of 6 months. Mental retardation. By the age of 6 months, mental retardation occurs. If there is no treatment, then phenylalanine starts to excrete out in urine and sweat. It leads to brain damage if untreated. And phenylalanine is excreted out in urine and sweat. स्वेटिंग के थ्रू, यूरिनेशन के थ्रू वो बॉडी से बाहर आता है. जो हेट्रोजाइगस इंडिविजुअल होगा, हेट्रोजाइगस इंडिविजुअल नॉर्मल है बट कैरियर होगा. हेट्रोजाइगस इंडिविजुअल्स are normal but carriers. They can transmit to the next generation, but उनमें ये डिफेक्ट नहीं होगा. So in human beings only this defect is observed. It is a common defect in human beings. So these are different types of allelic gene interaction, starting with incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple allelism, pleiotropy. Okay. So next we will discuss non-allelic gene interaction. Allelic gene interaction तो क्योंकि सेम जीन के डिफरेंट एलील्स में प्रेजेंट थे जो कि सेम लोकस पे थे, बट इन केस ऑफ नॉन एलिलिक जीन इंट्रैक्शन दे आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द different chromosomes or at a different locus.